Hey there! If you're running into the annoying 403 forbidden error in Safari on your iPhone, I totally get how frustrating that can be. This error usually means you don't have permission to access the page you tried to view, or there might be some hiccups with your network or website settings. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot this. So let's jump right in. Before diving into any of the steps, let's make sure everything is good to go. First, double-check the URL you've typed in. Look out for any typos or mistakes in the address. That all checks out, then let's try the following steps to fix the issue. Solution 1. Clear Safari cache and data. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit. Tap on the Apps section. Keep scrolling down and find Safari. Scroll down again and select Clear History and Website Data. Confirm your choice by tapping on Clear History and Data. Solution 2. Check Internet connection. Slide down from the top right corner to pull up the Control Center. Make sure you're connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're experiencing issues, try enabling airplane mode for about 10 seconds. After that, turn it off. Next, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data or the other way around to see if that resolves the issue. Solution 3. Disable VPN or proxy. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down again. Tap on General. Scroll down once more and select VPN and Device Management. If it's enabled, toggle off the VPN. Sometimes, VPNs can block access to specific websites. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open the Settings app again, scroll down and tap on General. Select Software Update. If you see an update available, tap on Download and Install. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the 403 forbidden error on your iPhone. If the problem continues, it might be a good idea to reach out to the website administrator for more help. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps.